Easily find that assembly you're searching for in View Assemblies with its numerous filtering options. You have status, whether it's parked or completed, plus any custom statuses you have set within Settings, System, and Assembly statuses. The assembly number, the product's name search, the assembly by from date, the assembly type, whether it's manual or an auto assembly, and lastly, whether it's printed or not. You can also import and export your assemblies here, along with adding an assembly and adding a disassembly. Another feature in View Assemblies is grid layouts, designed to make viewing your assemblies a custom experience. Click Show Toolbar and open up the Hidden Columns options. Choose the filters for your grid, and when you're ready, click New and add your grid's name. You can make multiple custom grid layouts, and should you wish to make this layout your default for viewing your assemblies or to share with others on your account, click these buttons here and save.